OmegaCube has exclusively partnered with Century Business Solutions to provide an integrated payment processing system within OmegaCube ERP through the PCI-compliant eBizCharge payment gateway. Manufacturing and distribution enterprises can easily accept credit card, debit card, and ACH payments from their customers in a safe and secure manner. Let's look at how it works. Once you create an order and enter all the relevant order details within OmegaCube ERP, you can instantly create an invoice at a click of a button. The invoice number is generated, and you can directly go to the invoice screen. From here, you can directly process the payment from your customers based on the invoice. All you have to do is click on Process Payment, and it will take you to the eBizCharge payment screen. The screen displays all the relevant invoice details. You can add a new card of your customer, or click on Saved Cards to process the payment. If selecting an existing card, click Saved Cards, select the payment method from the drop-down, enter the card ID number, and click Pay Now to complete the payment. You can also email secure payment link to your customer, and avoid constant follow-ups through calls and emails. From the invoice screen, click Email Process Payment. The customer will receive an email from you, where they can pay the invoice bill at the click of a button. The payment is instantly reflected as paid, along with payment details and reference number. Customer refunds are immediate and easy to process from OmegaCube ERP. From the credit memo, enter the payment reference number and click Process Refund to initiate the refund to the customer. eBizCharge provides a comprehensive, login-based payment management tool to track and manage payment transactions. You can access transaction reports, cash history, tax summary and much more. The Transaction List report provides a detailed list of payments received from customers. Clicking on each payment takes you to a detailed transaction report. The Payment Gateway integration capability within OmegaCube ERP brings enormous benefits to you and your customers. The integration is a plug-and-play implementation, leading to quick, seamless transition. Accept customer payments directly to your bank, without the need for intermediaries. Automate and streamline your payment workflow, eliminate double data entry, and make the entire payment processing quick and efficient. eBizCharge Payment Gateway is PCI compliant, thereby providing robust transaction and data security at all times. Auto payments posting and invoice marking as paid lets you eliminate manual data entry and general ledger balance work within OmegaCube ERP. eBizCharge provides lower processing and transaction fees, leading to healthy bottom line. Initiate hassle-free and quick refunds to your customers. Stay on top of your payment receipts and refunds via comprehensive tracking and reporting. Get free, dedicated customer support with 24/7 in-house eBizCharge support team. Contact us to know more about how this integration between OmegaCube ERP and eBizCharge will work for your enterprise.